everyone, and welcome back. In today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing, which is quite a rare event these days as I don't often buy plants. But anyways, I got this box of goodies here off a good friend of mine who lives up north, and it's full of Stapelia. The collective name is this one. I can't say it and I can't spell it, so I just call them Stapelia, which I know is incorrect, but So anyways, we're going to deep dive in, unpack this box. I've only had a very quick sneak peek. Alrighty, let's rock and roll. So exciting. Okay. So straight off the bat, we got this gorgeous creature. And I've actually seen the flower of this one. So this is a Stapelia gigantica, I think it's called, or giant something or other. Beautiful plant. I really love the stems on Stapelia. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Nice color, and they've got like a soft kind of velvet sort of feel to them. So this is super cute. It's got some roots forming already, so it'll make it nice and easy to get to grow. Ooh, seeds. I don't know what these are. I'm gonna have to ask my friend. Hey man, what are these seeds? I know they're Gymnocalycium, that much I can tell you. Damn, there's a lot here too. Actually, I think I know what these are because we were talking about this a while ago. So, I'll just have to remember. Anyways, alright, let's keep going. What do we got? In here, this is... so it's Huernia, because it's got a H. And that looks like... Is it a G or a C? Gutata or cutata? Something like that. Anyways, let's have a look. Hang on, let me move this. Oh, this is so exciting. Let's see. Ah! Oh, it's so cute! Look at it! Oh, you can't yet. Well, hang on. I'm getting there. Look at that! Oh my goodness. That is so damn cute! Love it. So healthy too. Look at these gorgeous roots. Look at those roots. That's what we want. Incredible. I'll just take that tape off and put that there. What have we got here? This one here is... Oh, no way! Oh, sorry. I probably should have went through and looked at everything first. So this, I know this plant. This is Echinopsis. How do you say this bit? Seriformis. Holy moly. Yeah, I know this plant. So I'm incredibly excited. I know what this one is. Let's see. Ah! Look at it! Look at that! It is absolutely incredible. Wow. Oh, I knocked the camera. I've got to fix it. I think we're on an angle. Is it wonky? Hang on, I'm going to fix it. It doesn't want to fix. Let's keep going. Alright, so this one here is... I don't know. But the next bit is... Halepedicola. So let's have a look. I don't know what... I had no idea what was in this box. I knew some of them because he showed me some pictures, but I wasn't actually sure what to expect. So that's probably why I'm... not sharing with the camera as much, because I'm actually discovering these as well. So that's why I'm like, ooh, I need to see. But I'll try and make it a little bit more viewer friendly now. Oh, stop. Get out of here. Look at that. Little chunky. That's fantastic. Love it. Good roots too. Listen. This is like Christmas. My goodness, how many are in here? And we've got Huernia aspera. Oh, nice. Oh, big piece. I'm going to make 2 out of this one. So I'm going to actually cut it here. And I'm going to have 2 plants because there's more than enough. And that one looks like it's making a flower, although it might drop it. But that's really cool. Let me lose the tag. Let's get rid of that bit. Ooh! Sorry, happy seal clap. This is Huernia hystrix, and I know the flower of this one because my friend showed me, and this plant is just ridiculously good. The flower is incredible. Oh my god! Oh, there's heaps. Oh, look at it too. Look at that. This is absolutely incredible. Dude, thank you so much. I'm like losing my mind here. Wow. So beautiful. Man, these are well grown. Look at them. Oh, ooh. Now, this one, I've wanted one of these for a long time because I've seen the flowers for years. So this is Gordonii. You probably will have seen this somewhere in your travels online. It's got beautiful like bell-shaped flowers. I think they're usually like a pink or like a cream sort of color. They're very soft, but they're quite large flowers. Absolutely beautiful. This is just sensational. Wow. It is so beautiful. New little bit of growth there. Oh, wow. My goodness. There's more in here. Are you kidding me? Dude, how many did you spend? This is awesome. This is so good. Alright, what do we got here? Ooh, another Huernia. This is Palanzii. Let's have a look. Oh my god. Well, it's a good thing I'm sitting down, that's for sure. Wow. These are awesome. They're so pretty. Like even just the actual growth itself is like the stems. They're just so sculptural and all the rest of it. They're just great. And then the flowers. I don't even care that they smell bad. That doesn't even bother me. Wow, and there's heaps in here. There's like 3 or 4 plants in there. Love it. I'm running out of room here. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to say this name. Oh, why do they make them so difficult? So there's another Huernia. Anyone know how to say that? Leucerneriana. Ow! Oh, sticky tape trying to wax my arm hairs. That's okay. Chunky monkey! Awesome! Yes! This is so good. Look at it. Love it. These are really good. So nice. Love it. Alright, put that there. Let's see, what do we got here? This is Orbea dameri, I think you would call it. Let's have a look. Oh, get out of town! Get out of town! Oh, I gotta stop yelling, otherwise it's gonna make fixing the voluming very difficult. Wow. That's incredible. Is this my last one? Yes. Alrighty, so this is the lucky last one, and this is, so it's got a similar form to the Gordonii. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. So incredible. My god, how many plants are you... Alrighty guys. Welcome to my workshop, which is a mess, but thankfully you can't see most of it. Anywho's, here's the supplies that I'm going to be using today. We've got here, this is my sort of standard substrate mix that I use for basically everything. And if you're new around here, what's in here is some scoria, which I sift, so that the largest size is about that. We've got quartz pebbles. There is also some potting soil. There is pumice, perlite, and some coconut husk. which I'm a big fan of. I know some people don't like it. I think they maybe confuse it with peat, but a little bit different. Anywho, let's get started. I've got all my pots over here already. So I'm going to start with this bad boy. And I think I'm going to use a 125, which is this size pot here. Then I'm going to fill the pot up, and so this with the Stapelia, they're better to plant them sideways. They can be a little bit uneven, so I'm going to bury this guy, not much. Don't go burying the stems fully, they don't like that. And then I just make sure there's some good contact there. And then this guy I'm probably going to need to prop up. So, nice chunk of rose quartz. Just while this guy's settling in, just pop that on there. Where's all my shit? Seriously. Rah! Why can't I find anything? Probably because my workshop is a mess, that's why. So here we go. There's a little join there. So, nice brand new blade. Oh, I cut the main plant. I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Make two out of that one. And then I got this one here. So it kind of grows like a long ways kind of deal. So tuck that in. Oh, I forgot to spray. This is just a fungicide, 3-in-1 kind of deal. It's quite a good product actually. So here they all are, finished potting them up and doing all the different treatments that they'll have on them. So they're going to live under a bench in my greenhouse. This is actually where all of my Stapelia live at the moment, just while I was doing some reconfiguring within the nursery, but the rest of them are down there. They're going to stay under here for probably a week or two. They haven't been in the dark for that long, so they're not going to take a huge amount of time to bounce back. They're not really bouncing back from anything. A few days usually doesn't knock them around that much. Cacti and succulents are good like that. They travel well. I'm actually going to be moving my Stapelia to their own dedicated section, and then once that's done, I will check back and make a new video with a full tour of them. But that's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video and me carrying on like a lunatic during the unboxing, and hope you're all safe and well. Alright everyone, take care, thanks for watching, and of course, happy gardening. Bye!